So now the air conditioning on this old Freightliner that I thought might have had a leak, they changed. It was in a little front end accident. This is all new condenser, new heat exchanger, new radiator. They used the old red, they kept the old, look at this receiver dryer on this old vehicle. Didn't change the receiver dryer, but he said he will next time. I know this person running this place from like almost 30 years ago. He used to be in the body shop business, now running this truck place. He thought I retired because he knew I was going to kind of quit this business or start petering down, but then he seen me one day, gave me a call. So now I'm out here, and this was the old condenser. You see the O-rings were ripped. Part of the old O-ring material is stuck to the old condenser. Guess what? They reused the old O-rings. They ripped the O-rings off and put them on here. So they put ripped O-rings on this job intentionally because it's too difficult to order new ones. But I pressure tested. I got it up to 160 psi. It'll probably leak later. That's my suspicions, but different levels, different classes of work at different places, and it's a learning experience. But he did say, I explained to him the reason why you change receiver dryers anytime you open them up to the atmosphere, and so he says he'll remember on the next one. 2012. This is original. Holy shit. I'm surprised it's not a rusty mess inside there. Alright guys, get back onto you and let's see if this thing works. Old Freightliner.